Lose weight days www.loseweightdays.com.
Modern lifestyle brings us face to face with an increasing amount of toxins which accumulate in the body via food, the environment and stress. Naturally cleanse your body with clean tonus. Scientifically formulated to support detoxification processes in the liver, lymphatic system, lungs, kidneys, skin and bowels to gently flush out trapped waste and eliminate harmful bacteria. Toxins found in your diet, air, and even the water you drink put increasing stress on your digestive system. Not only do they prevent your colon from eliminating waste effectively, they also decrease the absorption of nutrients from food that your body needs to run healthily. Introducing Clean Tonus, a 100% natural formulation to help gently cleanse your body from the buildup of waste that results in harmful bacteria and toxins. Details on how to cleanse your body of toxins are in the link in the description.